Good day to you, Ma'am Answer. My name is Jaime Repolla, Filipino. I'm 43-year-old. I am married. I have three children. I have three brothers and three sisters. I am the eldest of the family. My working experience is working as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are washing and ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, car washing, gardening, and marketing. And I also cook Filipino dishes. I love to taking care of babies. I give milk on time, changing diapers if necessary, and I sing or song to him when she was sleeping. I love a baby as my own child. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I will promise that I will do all my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.